Hello guys and welcome to another video of Ride with D. So guys, in this video I will be featuring another exhaust from a company called Parts, a custom exhaust manufacturing company which manufactures performance parts for Royal Enfield and other bike and other custom mod kits, split seats and other custom mod kits for Royal Enfield and other bikes. Okay guys, for this video they have sent us another exhaust from their collection, which is a Cobra exhaust. And guys, a special thing, if you buy this product from their app, I will be linking that app in description, the Classic Parts app. You will get extra 15% discount on your shopping through the application. Okay guys, this is the exhaust. So guys, this is the exhaust. It is a very heavy exhaust and it comes with a Classic Parts badging. And guys, this exhaust build is great. It is a very great build. And guys, this exhaust comes with a powder coated black, and the exhaust color will not get fade easily. So guys, if you are going to buy this exhaust has a great bassy sound, and the sound is very heavy, and you're gonna feel that sound and bass when you are going to ride the bike, and other people are going to notice you in any way, because this exhaust has a great sound. So guys, let's hear the sound of this exhaust. Now you have heard the sound of this exhaust. You can easily make the difference in the sound of this Cobra exhaust and as compared to other exhausts like Gold Star and the short bottle exhaust. So guys, if you are going to buy a heavy bassy sound exhaust, this exhaust is for you guys. Anyone can identify your bike coming from a long distance. So guys, the pickup of this exhaust is a little lesser than as compared to the pickup of short bottle exhaust, but guys, the sound of this exhaust is great and very heavy bass exhaust. So guys, if you want to buy this exhaust, the link will be in description, and if you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Guys, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button if you want me to make more videos on exhaust and other videos related to Royal Enfield. So guys, thank you for watching.